the balls to say things that nobody else has the balls to say. Who's really pulling the strings? Is it you? Or is it your bean-headed wife? You don't wear the pants in the family, but you do wear her panties, don't you?
You disrespected me as a man. Now, deal with me as a man. So at Night of Champions, no disqualification, Punk. Anything goes.
It's not if, but when I beat you, you resign as COO at WWE.
Done.
Well, there he comes. The game. Triple H, and he looks like a butt-kicking machine right now.
Yeah, well, the problem is that CM Punk has made this personal. CM Punk, with verbal attacks on Triple H and his family. It started out being about business, now it's personal.
And you know what they say, paybacks are hell, and it looks like Triple H is about to put CM Punk through hell.
The cerebral assassin. The game. And Punk from behind.
What?
CM Punk from behind attacking Triple H.
What audacity.
And here we go. Punk wasted little time getting the upper hand.
Oh, look out.
Into the timekeeper's area.
This didn't take long for this.
So much on the line here for Triple H. If he loses to CM Punk tonight, he will be forced out as COO of the WWE.
Well, you know, this started out as business, but CM Punk made it personal. And right now, Triple H is hoping to end it.
This one's not going to resemble a match. This is two men who are going to tear each other apart here tonight.
Triple H has taken control.
When CM Punk first came to WWE, he claims Triple H saw him as a pompous, undersized internet darling that couldn't hang with the lights of the game.
Well, Triple H doesn't deny it, but he does say CM Punk has a warped internet philosophy on how to get over in this business.
According to Triple H, you get over in this business by making sacrifices and busting your ass in the ring every night for the good of the business.
Well, isn't that what CM Punk has been doing over the past 6 years? It's no disqualification. Anything goes here tonight. You know, Triple H may have the advantage in this type of match. This is his element.
No doubt, King. The game has participated in some of the WWE's most brutal matches ever. CM Punk might live to regret that comment about Stephanie wearing the pants in the family.
Yeah, and I don't even want to repeat what CM Punk said the game wears under his pants.
And he's heading back in.
I don't think that chair is going to be good for much after this match.
One thing's for certain, CM Punk is going to leave this arena here tonight bruised and battered, but will he also leave with a victory?
Well, that's the question, Cole, but it doesn't look good for him right now. CM Punk made
What a counter that was.
You know, you have to wonder what was going through Triple H's mind when he had to deliver the news to his father-in-law, Mr. McMahon, that he was being relieved of his duties.
In Triple H's defense, he was simply following orders from the board of directors. According to them, Mr. McMahon...
Punk kicked out of the game's pedigree. This is amazing.
What a match.
Triple H has got to be in shock. Hey, wait a minute.
What is he doing here?
Kevin Nash. Wait, don't get it. Kevin Nash stepping over the top rope and in the ring. Oh, he hammers CM Punk.
And now he goes out. Triple H, King, what is going on here?
What in the world?
I mean, I don't even know what to say.
I don't get it. Kevin Nash. Oh, laying a beat down on the game. What's he thinking?
We're best buddies. And now Punk. CM Punk now coming to get some on Nash. This whole thing is out of control.
Kevin Nash now has CM Punk in a precarious situation. Oh, look out!
Getting CM Punk.
Oh, what do you make of this? I just don't get it.
I don't get it either. Nash has come in, assaulted Punk, assaulted Triple H.
And now it looks like he's leaving. Wait a minute. No!
Oh, and Nash again blasting the game.
Watch out. Coming over here. Hey, wait a minute. The monitor.
What the hell is going on, man?
What is Kevin Nash doing, Cole?
He's got that. Oh, and with a sledgehammer.
The sledgehammer! The game just hammers Kevin Nash.
Nash had that coming.
All right, CM Punk back in the ring. Game, it's time for you to get back in and get it on. Oh, and he got dropped.
Here we go with Punk.
What a reversal. Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Punk's a very physical competitor. He knows how to attack joints, elbows, ankles, wrists. Punk's just what a move. Uh-oh, Triple H has him. You know, seeing pedigree, he got it. The game got the pedigree. Well, CM Punk has said numerous.
He could pin his opponent right here. 2, 3.
Any way you look at it, with all the chaos and with everything that went down in this no disqualification match, this is perhaps one of the greatest matches ever.
I don't care who you were rooting for. This match was fantastic.